Hey Visioneers, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional logo in just a few minutes using LALAL.AI. This tool is fast, beginner-friendly, and completely online. You don't need Photoshop, Illustrator, or any design experience. The AI handles most of the work for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a logo ready to use for your business, YouTube channel, or social media brand. The first step is to open the LALAL.AI website. Right on the homepage, you'll see a box asking you to type in your brand or business name. Let's type in an example. I'll go with TechWave. You can use your own business name, personal project, or even a channel name. Once you've typed it in, click Design Free Logo to start the process. Now, LALAL.AI will ask you a few simple questions to better understand your style. First, you choose your industry or category. This helps the AI suggest icons and styles that are relevant. For example, if you're in technology, it might suggest futuristic symbols. If you're in food, you'll see cooking or restaurant-related icons. Next, it will ask you about style preferences. Here you'll see words like minimal, bold, elegant, playful, or modern. These options tell the AI the mood you want your logo to have. Don't stress too much here. You can always change things later. But selecting a style close to your vision helps the generator give better results. After that, LALAL.AI instantly generates dozens of logo designs for you. This is the exciting part. You'll see different layouts, fonts, colors, and icons all apply to your brand name. Scroll through and take your time. Maybe one design will look perfect right away, or maybe you'll find one that just needs a few tweaks. When you click on a design you like, it opens the editor. Here, you have full control. You can change the fonts to something bold, elegant, or more creative. You can switch up the colors. For example, if your brand needs a blue and white palette, you can adjust it instantly. You can replace or resize the icon. The site has a huge library of icons to choose from, so you're not limited to just what the AI picked. And you can also adjust the layout, like moving the icon above the text beside it, or even just keeping a text-only logo. This is where you can really make your design unique. A quick tip: keep your design simple and clean. A logo is most effective when it's easy to recognize, even in small sizes like profile pictures or app icons. Once you're satisfied, it's time to download. Click the download or export button. LALAL.AI prepares your files. In the free version, you can get a basic preview of your logo, which is often enough for personal projects or social media. But if you want high-resolution files, transparent backgrounds, and multiple variation, like square, horizontal, or icon-only logos, then you can consider one of their paid plans. These premium packages are very affordable compared to hiring a designer, and you get instant files for business cards, websites, and even merchandise. Before we wrap up, let me share some quick tips to make your logo stand out. First, choose colors carefully. Colors create emotions. Blue feels professional and trustworthy. Red feels bold and exciting. Green feels fresh and natural. Pick a color that matches your brand's personality. Second, use simple fonts. Avoid fonts that are too complicated or hard to read. A clean, professional font is always better. Third, test your logo in different sizes. Make sure it still looks good when it's small, like on a mobile app, or large, like on a banner. And finally, don't overthink it. The power of AI tools like LALAL.AI is that they give you fast results. You can always come back later and try different variations. And that's how you can create a professional logo in just a few minutes using LALAL.AI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and design tool tutorials, and drop a comment below sharing the logo you created. I'd love to see your designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.